Hey guys, welcome back to the JJ Squad. Today I'm going to be doing a clothes haul. So yeah, let's just start. I already have on one of the dresses.
Hey, where is it on my clothes on?
It's not on you. I already have on one of the dresses. This is from DJ's.
JJ.
Oh yeah, JJ's christening, I think. Yeah, it's christening. I really love this dress. It's so good with me. So Mom, I'm keeping this one. So let's try out the next one. Okay, I have this one right here as well. It's a like aqua blue and a white. It's this one my mom ordered it from away on Amazon, of course. Yeah, I love this one as well. It fits perfectly. So it's still a little big. So I have more time in this. So let's try on the next one. Okay, this is the third one. I love this dress. I bought this away from away when me and my mom went away. I bought it from away. I love it.
It's a draw. It's a door. Okay, try this one.
I love this one. Okay, time for the next one. Guys, I really don't like this one because one of the straps gotta go over. Yeah, this I love I just said I hated the dress, but not the full thing. I love this because it's soft and it has flowers on it. But the strap doesn't want to go over. Yeah, I love the pattern, but you can't see. So next. Ugh. Okay, this is one I guess I wore this to church too. Like all the ones I wore, and the first one I wore to church before, and I think it's one where I wore for my birthday. All you get that. Like just do that one way. Okay. This one is good. This one is good.
Oh, short.
But it's short. I'm not too short. Yeah, look, this is short. So, huh? And it looks really child. I'm a child. Even though I'm a child. Hi, can we go and play? I don't know why it's not.
It's dirty, right? No, you didn't wear it.
Time for the next one. Okay guys, that is the video. I know it's a little short, but that's not that short, but it is short. So guys, but tomorrow I will be doing a vlog because I'm gonna take my braids out tomorrow. So yeah, I might even take them out today because I'm really tired of these things. So I might even make that vlog today. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm really tired of these. So I might make it tonight or tomorrow. You never know. Ha! But I do slow-mos with these, which is fabulous. Obviously. So I'm not going to do it today because I want to do some slow-mo. Okay guys, that is the last for this video. That's the last for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, make sure click that subscribe button and leave a like. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Peace.